Hi, hello. Welcome to my first video. Maraming nagtatanong sa akin with regards to my Starlink configuration on board. Sa mga tatanong ko ano yung pinaka-recommended na setup sa barko is of course, to answer the question is doon tayo sa simple lang, minimalistic yung madaling tanggalin in case mayroong mga inspection. So alam niyo bakit? Kasi unang-una, hindi natin pagmamayari ang barko. Right? Then, meron mga applicable rules and regulations sa construction ng barko. At hindi natin basta-bastang baguhin yan o magdadagdag tayo. Okay? And then, for sure, if there's going to be a third-party inspections and statutory inspections, sigurado sasabi tayo. Especially kung meron tayong nilabag when it comes to the fire and safety regulations. And then, when it comes sa installation ng mga hardwares nyo like Starlink, additional router nyo, or meron kayong mga wirings, cables, so depende na sa inyo yan. Okay? Diskarte nyo yan, paano nyo mailagay yan without violating any rules and regulation. Okay? And of course, meron permission galing sa taas. Okay? And then, so to proceed, I will show you my recommended setup configuration using a cloud controller. So I'm using Omada Cloud Controller. And for me, this setup is the most convenient. So, wala namang additional hardwares like switches. Like switches, PoE switches. Hindi na natin kailangan yan. And then, we also don't need the OC200 or yung Omada controller. Sabi natin. And then, pagka nagkaligpitan, is wala pang 30 minutes, naligpit na yung mga gamit nyo, lahat ng hardwares. Kasi yung pinakailangan naman natin is yung EAP225. Okay? And then yung Starlink nyo. O pagligpit ng Starlink, pagligpit ng EAP225, finish. And then also, one thing that I really like regarding this setup is plug and play na siya. Okay? Just power on the components, saksak mo lang. Okay? And then, once nag-power on na yung lahat ng unit, it's up and running. Pwede ka na mag-connect. So, ganyan lang kasimple. Okay? And merong downside yung setup na ganito. You need to buy a license for each device na gagamitin mo within the network. So, for example, kung meron kang isang EAP225, isang license na kailangan bibilin mo. Pero kung meron kang dalawa, then you need to buy 2 licenses. And mura lang naman, di naman siya masyadong mabigat. It only costs around $9.99 per year or 12 months mo siyang magagamit. So, isipin mo what is $10, diba? Kung magagamit mo naman siya ng 12 months. And one more thing, you need an internet connection pag nag-access ka sa cloud. Kasi nga, diba, cloud controller, nasa cloud siya. So, therefore, you need an internet talaga. Not like if meron kang hardware controller like OC200, ma-access mo siya locally. And now I will show you my setup, and then let's proceed maybe on my next video on how to configure the cloud controller. I will show you. Okay, so for now, I will just show you my setup. So to start with, ito yung tinatawag natin na PoE adapter. Okay, ito ang PoE adapter is included na siya sa pag bumili ka ng EAP225. Okay, EAP225. And then, meron yan dalawang slot yung natin, yung PoE adapter. So, we have the PoE on the left side and LAN. Okay. So, ito, yung PoE adapter, isaksak mo na siya sa power source. And then, the PoE, power over Ethernet, isasaksak mo lang siya directly sa EAP225. Kasi double purpose na yan. It is a power source and at the same time, data connection. Okay, then dito sa LAN, dito mo isasaksak yung connection galing sa Starlink mo. Okay? Starlink na yung diretso. Other end of this is on the Starlink. So, pag sinaksak na yan, saksak mo to. And then, ito, ilagay mo sa pinaka-strategic place yun sa barko kung saan gusto nyo ilagay na masasakop lahat. And one good thing about this EAP225 is outdoor to eh. So, it covers a wide range. Malayong maabot. Okay, so ito lang yung pinaka-setup and we will go through next time sa OC200 tsaka sa switch ko na configuration. Okay, yan yung tatalakayin natin sa susunod. But for now, ito lang muna kasi ito yung pinaka-recommended na setup ko. minimalistic, and at the same time, pwede ka na mag-umpisa, pwede ka may negosyo. Kasi makakontrol mo yung AP225 using your cloud controller. Okay, so, abang nyo lang sa next video paano mag-set up ng cloud controller. Okay, ciao!